Hello, welcome back to the second video. Today it's going to be another vlog, and so what I have planned for today with my friends is to go to the beach. I'm not sure which beach we're going to because I don't even know what beaches there are here. I'm just gonna follow because my directions are really bad, and after that probably gonna have dinner with Carol, and then we might go and get some drinks tonight. So yeah, that's all for today. Right now I'm just gonna get and prep some last minute stuff just to put everything together, and then I am going to head out. Sammy 姐，我哋今日去邊啊？睇下阿英英對鞋幾嘈，行啦！醃。
你有啊？我俾翻張相。
哦，係有粒卡我就冇，係菲林相我記。
我哋一定要 show 翻佢張寫真集嘅。
我哋係咪差唔多啦？呢個係邊位啊？
大媽。嗰啲叫咩？寫唔記得。阿豬媽啊！
阿豬媽
係點樣連你個 WiFi 啊 ，baby？
Hello， 仲有 ，Yeah， 我完全睇唔到嘢咯。
點樣睇啊？
我睇唔到啦，
睇唔到嘢。
好啦，就咁先啦。
Yogurt time. Hi. 好重要㗎，
你想入派真
其實要放個 hit 㗎。我每一日都會做嘅 hit 呢個係。啱唔啱你隻腳咧 ？OK， 我哋再轉。哦。再吸氣。重點係呢度啊，其實呢個唔重要，呢個先係重點。耶！仲有呢個。
兩位美女，我走啦，拜拜。Hi you guys, so just a quick little update for now. So I got home, took a quick shower, my makeup done. I'm going to meet Carol for dinner, and then I think we're gonna get some drinks after that. So I'm not going to bring my camera with me, so I'm gonna end the vlog here right now for today. I'll see you in the next video.